Today I'm invested. Tomorrow only I have to get the returns. Lack of patience. Lack of patience. Okay, so they are losing the money like anything. They will trap into the scams. Then automatically, yes, they will. They're always thinking about shortcut, very speed, very speed growth I want. Okay, today I'm investing 1 lakh. By tomorrow 10,000 I require to get. They are tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I have to get 10,000. I require to get. Every day 10,000. You are expecting from investing 1 lakh. Then automatically there is no guarantee for your 1 lakh also. Just 1 month or 2 months you will get, or 1 day or 2 day you will get. Third day onwards, that phone is not going to be is going to be switched off. So the original money also by default will be gone. Patience must be required. Next, self-control must be required. Okay, especially while spending. While spending, okay, is it required or not required? Think about that, and then you can do that. Self-control must be required. Discipline must be required. Consistency must be required. Every day I'm going to save some amount. Every day I'm going to save some amount. Consistency must be required. Long-term thinking, calm decisions, aggressive decisions, with emotional decisions we should not take. Remember carefully, right? Okay.